Hey everyone, today I am diving into an incredible mission that is all about survival challenges and some serious stunning. Imagine a village completely wiped out by a natural disaster, heartbreaking, right? But guess what? We are not just sitting back, we are rebuilding it together with Mr. Beast. As you know, guys, this is my eighth video of today on Cinema channel on 7 January 2025. This is my survival challenging and stunning story of today. Let's start it. So picture this: a community that is lost everything, homes, schools and dreams. But here comes Mr. Beast, rallying the troops and saying, let's change this. Wow, good. And that is exactly we are doing. We are turning this disaster into a story of hope and resilience. Wow, amazing. Good thing. Good work. First up, we are gathering supplies like food, water, and tools. It's a total survival mission. We are talking epic stunts like racing against the clock to deliver everything before the next storm hits. Wow, amazing. Who knew rebuilding could be so thrilling? Next, we are getting creative. We are bringing in architects architects and designers to help us create homes that are not just strong but also beautiful. Every nail hammered in is a step towards a brighter future. And let's not forget the fun challenges. We will race along the way, like building a playground for the kids with limited resources. It's going to be wild. Wow, amazing. And here is the best part: every single one of you can join in. Wow, amazing. Just this is part of story, okay? Whether it's donating or volunteering, we can all make a difference. Imagine seeing this village thrive again, filled with laughter and hope. How amazing is this? Tell me in the comments. What are your feelings, thoughts now? Tell me in the comments. So let's turn this disaster into a epic comeback story together in the comments. Come here, guys. Hit that follow button for more updates on our journey to rebuild this village and spread the joy of community spirit. Let's do this. Come here in the comments, guys. Let's keep this conversation going.